Gana.
I'm a dancing fool.
Tawag ng tawag si Mister. Sabi ko sa kanya, iba yung pakiramdam ko. Nag-alala ata si Tata. Ganda ng umaga. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Roxy. What are you doing? Look how embarrassing is this. Sleepyhead? Aduh. Hi, sleepyhead na. You're so tired because you've been awake the whole night. Tapos na tayong naligo, i-on natin itong ating fireplace. Kasi, ay. Baka may ano dito. Yan. Naka-on na. So, ang gagawin ko para mag-dry yung buhok ko is uupo lang ako dito. And, tignan nyo itong dalawang kapatid ko. Is piniprint ko and then dinisplay dito. Tignan nyo. Kain kami ng lunch kasi look, nakaligo na sa Dudong Tami and ako naman nakaligo na din sa Frisco, diba? So, yung snow is non-stop pa rin, guys. Nag-dry na yung buhok ko finally. And ang kakainin ko is kamuti. Ito yun siya, kamuti. Masarap yung kamuti, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit suddenly Tami doesn't want this, but he really likes it. He just want to say, every time I said something I like, for example, I said, I really like it, hon. And then he stopped eating it. He stopped eating it. He doesn't want to eat it. He give me a lot of reason. Kasi he want me to eat it. And it's not good. I don't like that style. Because I want both of us enjoying it. For dinner tonight, I will defrost probably steak. And I will enjoy outside in the snow. Snow with the charcoal. You will help me, Han, remember?
Cold.
It's cold. So, kain tayo, sweet potato, this, and then, sweet potato and arugula. And then, inano ni Tami yung kapitbahay, pinagamit niya ng aming quad. Diba, kumatok yung kapitbahay dito noon, and, hanggang, hindi niya alam kung paano gamitin. Ngayon, tinuruan, I think, ni Tami. Para next time, marunong na siya. So, ganyan si Tami kabait. As in, believe talaga ako sa asawa ko, guys. You know, ano si Tami, yung parang matulungin. Basta matulungin na tao. Yun talagang pinaka-ano ko sa kanya, pinaka-proud ako sa kanya kasi mabait yung asawa ko. You know, kahit mga bagong kakilala, ganyan siya ka-friendly sa, yung pagdating namin dito, friendly talaga siya, guys, sa kapitbahay. Yung old neighbor namin dyan, naging kaibigan din niya. Yung doctor na from Alaska, this house, and then the next one, kinaibigan din niya hanggang umalis, nag-move, doctor. So, kaya yun. Yung si Tami, kapag kung ganyan kabait kasi si Tami, kailangan kong bantayan. Hindi yan pwede madala sa Pilipinas si Tami, guys, yung titira sa Pilipinas. Sa tinuod lang, sa totoo lang. Kasi kung doon siya titira, sobrang siya, giving, thoughtful. Sa tingin ko, mapag-anuhan si Tami. Kasi marami kasing magtitik advantage sa Pilipinas. So, kaya, buti na lang din na ayaw niya doon kasi ako yung maluluka. So, mapurder yun na siya. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Ganyan yan siya. So, how was the neighbor?
Hey, fine.
Huh?
Look, you want to give it another try? He's like, he said, I think it was me the last time because I haven't driven a manual in so many years. See, I never had one, so I have no clue.
Okay, and then he did it.
Yeah.
And
Came back, no, thank you so much for this. So, anytime, it's here if you want.
yeah, but did you tell him what to start and stuff?
I did. I told him, it's gas is the key thing that I always seem to forget, apparently.
Huh?
I told him gas is what I keep forgetting.
Is that what happened to you this morning?
Yes.
You forgot to turn it on?
We have to turn the gas valve. I'm like, what? Not fuck. So it uses up what little gas is in the line and then it won't start.
So did you tell him how to start this thing, that
Yes,
thing,
showed him everything.
and how to do that thing because there's no, you have to do manual because
Well,
your
you're supposed
foot.
to do it with your foot. That thing was for Ray because he had no toes. It's tough for my toes.
And also
stuff.
probably he cannot do it, Han.
No, he had no problem with it. He had no problem. I'm the one who had to.
He's
bend down.
doing it like this.
Yeah, he didn't have a problem with that.
So, but did he do his yard properly?
What? Yeah, the only thing I told him was like, you're gonna wanna. I said it's not so bad right now because there's not that much snow, but you're gonna want to turn the blade at an angle, otherwise you're building it all in front of you. It keeps coming off the sides. So every time you go down, you make 2 more trails. So I show him how to turn the blade. I mean, it wasn't that much snow today, so it wasn't a big deal. But when there's more snow, you won't be able to do it pushing forward.
Goodness. You and your dada, I'm going to nah. Nah. Spoiled her. Your daddy spoiled you. I'm
He
gonna
said, I'm a dancing fool. Or I'm just some.
look at that. It's for a cat. That's it. Get down, bag. Spoiled, oy. No. Ito yun ako. It's cold.
Yeah, generally cats like warm milk. But I did it once. I warmed up in the microwave a little bit. Maybe I warmed up too much. Because they generally don't like it cold.
You are spoiled. Dad has spoiled you so much.
See, my dad will love me. He gives me his milk.
Now, bag, that milk is fake. Dada feed you fake food. Milk. You're happy, boy. Magluto na tayo kasi magluto na ako kasi si Tami, ako din parang gutom. So gusto ko nang kumain, sira ko lang itong ating ito na yung sa akin, guys. Luto na yan. Ito yung kay Tami. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Baba. Good morning, my baby. Good morning. Go. Aloy. Isira natin ito. Kasi Roxy. Woo! Roxy. Woo! Kailangan ko lang ng daanan dito. My Power Ranger natin. Ito yung ating panglinis, guys. No? It's tangle the Christmas tree. So, hi guys. So, kapag wala si Mister talaga dito sa bahay, guys, ang dami kong naasikaso. Ang dami kong tawag nito. Ang dami kong lagay sa taas. Yun na, yung mga kailangan kong linisin. Yun siya. Tara. So, yun yung mga pinagagawa ko. Hala. Isahan na, guys. Yan siya. Kailangan ko kasing maglinis. Kasi kapag andito si Mister, wala talaga akong nagagawa, guys. As in, yun. So, maghanap lang ako dito ng space. Ibalik natin ito. Tupiin. Yun. At Ito yung mga extension sa table dining. Kinuha ko. So, kaya, yan. Marami akong oras sa paglilinis dito sa bahay. Kasi nga wala siya. So, that's it. Pansit. Hi, Habsy! Hello, baby. Hi. Shh. What? Tawag ng tawag si Mister. Sabi ko sa kanya, iba yung pakiramdam ko. Nag-alala ata si Tami. No? At ang dami kong ipagawa sa kanya. Pero hindi niya magawa-gawa kasi may pagkaano din itong asawa ko eh. Kung sa Bisaya, patapulan. May pagkatapulan siya basta mga lihokon. Basta mga gawaing papel. May pagkatamad siya sa ganong bagay. Yung barang may file-file, merong asikasuhin, ayaw yung mga ganyan. So, yun. At nagbihis ako, nag-half bath kasi ayaw kong basain yung buhok ko at ayaw ko ding magbasa ng buhok kasi sobrang ginaw.